Hello and greetings. Brian Stovall with Small Biz Insight, and today we're doing a hands-on with the new Google Chrome mobile browser for iPhone and iPad, and we're going to answer the question why a small business owner or an entrepreneur should care about this new update or this new browser app from Google. Now, before we get started, we want to go over a couple of drawbacks with the app and give you a couple of give you a little bit of information regarding some of the changes you may see with the app versus using it on an actual Android phone. Now, being that Apple already has their own browser, that being the Safari browser here, there are some restrictions, and the most noticeable ones will be that due to the rendering engine that's used for the Google Chrome app not being able to use the same functionality as the Safari app, there should be a little slower coming up. As you can see, it came up a little bit slower than the Safari app did. So there's going to be a little bit of delay possibly with the app versus the actual Safari app, because naturally Google is not a native app for the Apple iOS system. And then secondly, you also cannot select Google Chrome as your default app for your actual dock. But one way around that is to just go ahead and set up the X's as such and just drag it down to the dock like such, and you can have it there. Now, the only problem with this method is that in emails and text messages and things of that nature, you will not be able to open those links within those messages with the actual Chrome browser. It's going to naturally revert back to the default browser, which is Safari. Next, I want to kind of walk you through how the browser works and what you can do with it, and some of the functionality that's really cool with the new Google Chrome mobile browser. Now, one of the major pluses for the Chrome app is that you can sync your bookmarks, passwords, search history from other devices, making it easier for you to access information when you're on the actual app. And the way to do that is to just simply go ahead when you're on screen here on your computer or your desktop, to go up to the corner here and select sign in to Chrome, to go ahead and sign in so that you will be able to sync all of your documents and everything to your phone and the actual Chrome browser, the mobile Chrome. Now, once you've synced your actual desktop to the Chrome browser, you can see I've got a couple of tabs and windows open here. You can kind of get a feel of how the interface works out, and it's really similar to the actual interface when you're on your computer or actually on an Android device, and I kind of really like that about the layout. Another thing you can see here is you can also see that my bookmarks have now been synced across. I actually have all of my bookmarks here, and you can see those, actually all of the desktop bookmarks are there also. So that's a really cool function, and it also can show you what PC you have actually synced in the last time that you've actually synced there. Other great things that you can do with the app are you can open a new incognito tab, which is a little bit different than the other setup with various other mobile browsers out there. And you can also set up other devices if need be. So all in all, it's a really neat app. I really enjoy using it. I like the way that you can swipe. The swipe functions here are really cool, and I think that people will really get a kick out of it using this app. So definitely go ahead and check it out and see how you like it, and definitely post some comments or questions or criticisms about the app on our website or on our Twitter feed, because we will be talking about this and other tech issues down the road. So let us know what you think, and we'll. Again, this is Brian Stovall with Small Biz Insight. Feel free to stop by our website for more insight and resources for entrepreneurs to create growth. And this concludes our new hands-on with the Google Chrome mobile browser for iPad and iPhone. Have a great day.